I think he's the best I ever played and I ever saw. Against Novak, I think it's a little bit different. I think against Novak was a little bit about, okay, we can have a strategy, but at the end is about, I need to play very well. I mean, I need to play very well all the time. We don't play the same style, of course, but it's not a clear strategy that against Roger, I will damage him against his backhand. Against Novak, I don't have that feeling. You know, the feeling is, I need to play very well for a long time and know that I have to adjust things. No, I can't play too many times against his backhand, especially high balls, because then he takes the ball quicker and puts you in a very difficult position. So I start to use the slice more against him. Sometimes worked me well, and sometimes against Novak was good to play to the middle. Don't give him a lot of angles. With Novak, when you were able to open him, if you don't really create a lot of damage, he was able to open you more.
Well, I think he's the best of all time at switching directions.
Yeah,
like
100%.
he can take your forehand and find line, or and it was safe.
In terms of control, ball control,
yeah,
I think he's the best I ever played and I ever saw.